Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open modeling toolkit. So if you want to show the model toolkit, you can go to the rec bar in here. You can see we have this modeling toolkit. There are a lot of options you can use like for the object selections, vertex selections and another here like combine formats, component and tools. So how about I will close this tab, you can right click in the model toolkit and then click close tab. And to show again the modeling toolkit, you can go to Windows menu, click on modeling editors, and then you can click modeling toolkit. So will be show again in the right bar. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to open modeling toolkit.